Welcome back to the channel, where today we're going to tackle a common problem that many users encounter when using their devices. The problem at hand involves an issue with lost data, whether it's accidentally deleted files, a corrupted hard drive, or misplaced document. Losing important data can be a stressful and frustrating experience, especially if you don't have a solution readily available. When facing the data loss problem, there is a straightforward solution that can help you recover your files and documents effectively. By using specialized data recovery software, you can scan your device for any lost data and retrieve it in a few simple steps. These programs are designed to search for deleted or corrupted files in your storage device and restore them to their original state. It's essential to act quickly when you realize you've lost data to increase the chances of successful recovery. The key to successfully recovering your lost data lies in taking immediate action and using the right tools to aid you in the process. Data recovery software provides a reliable solution for retrieving your files and documents, whether they were accidentally deleted or lost due to a system error. Remember to follow the recommended steps provided by the recovery program to ensure a smooth and successful data recovery process. In summary, encountering data loss problems can be a stressful experience, but with the right solution at hand, you can effectively recover your lost files and documents. By utilizing data recovery software and following the necessary steps, you can restore your data and minimize the impact of the loss. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. We'd love to hear from you.